Welcome to a very quick how-to video on connecting a new device to a Logitech Unifying receiver. Step 1. Download and install the Logitech Unifying software. The link is in the description. You can download it from the Logitech website. The website will analyze your operating system and give you the software accordingly. The Logitech Unifying software is a very small file. It's just 4 MB. So download should finish pretty quickly. Once the download is finished, you can install the software. That also should finish very fast. On the conclusion of installation of software, the application will launch automatically. You can go to the application from the taskbar. As you can see, up to 6 devices can be connected to a single unifying receiver. Click Next. If your device is in a switched on state, you have to switch it off first and then switch it on. Once you switch the device on, the software will detect it and give you a prompt to check if it is the correct device. I connected a keyboard, so they asked me to type something and see. Select Yes if you are satisfied with the results, and then click Next. Now you have successfully connected a new keyboard to a unifying receiver. If you were trying to connect a mouse, the typing prompt won't be there. Instead, you will be asked to move the mouse and see if it is the correct device. Here again, once you are satisfied, select the Yes and click Next. Now your wireless mouse is ready to be used with a unifying receiver. If you have a spare unifying receiver lying around, remember to keep it in a safe place or the storage space on the device. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.